Are you drowning in debt and wondering how to break free? What if I told you that understanding the stock market, specifically the Dow Jones, could help you get out of debt smarter and faster? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to take control of your finances, pay off your debts, and even start building wealth. Let's get started. Debt can feel like a never-ending cycle, but the good news is you can break free. The key is having the right strategy and making informed financial decisions. Today, we'll explore how understanding the stock market, especially the Dow Jones Industrial Average, can play a role in your journey to financial freedom. Before you can tackle debt, you need to know exactly how much you owe. Here's how you can do it. Make a list of all your debts, credit cards, loans, mortgages, everything. Note down the interest rates because high-interest debt is your biggest enemy. Prioritize your payments using the avalanche method, paying off the highest interest debt first, or the snowball method, starting with the smallest debts to gain momentum. Cut unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that subscription service you barely use? Set a strict spending limit and stick to it. Allocate extra funds towards your debt payments. Pro tip: use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for necessities, 30% for wants, and 20% for debt repayment and investments. Now, where does the Dow Jones stock market come in? The Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJIA) is a major stock market index that tracks 30 large publicly traded companies in the U.S. While investing in the stock market shouldn't be your first priority when paying off debt, understanding it can help you make smarter financial choices in the long run. Here's how you can use it to your advantage. Long-term investing. Once your high-interest debt is under control, investing in index funds that track the Dow Jones can grow your wealth over time. Dividend stocks. Some Dow companies pay dividends, which can be reinvested or used to pay down debt faster. Avoid high-risk trading. Stick to reliable, well-established investments instead of chasing quick gains. Set clear goals. Write down your debt-free date and track progress. Reward yourself for small milestones, just don't splurge too much. Keep learning about personal finance and investing to secure your future. Paying off debt isn't just about cutting expenses. It's about making smarter financial decisions. By budgeting wisely, increasing your income, and understanding investment opportunities, like the Dow Jones market, you'll be on your way to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss valuable financial tips. Comment below and let me know your biggest financial challenge. See you in the next video.